Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign in Mailchimp. And it's really easy and simple. I'm going to show you how to create an email campaign that basically grabs attention and actually delivers some results. I'm going to walk you through the steps, step by step. So first things first, of course, you want to log into your Mailchimp account, okay? And then what you're going to do, guys, come here, click on campaigns. And then right here, guys, I want you to click on create. So we're going to be creating a new campaign right here. So right now, guys, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be designing our email. So we're going to choose one of these. You can do a regular email using automation, so you can personalize your marketing and it would do things on its own based on triggers. And then you can do a landing page if you'd like, but I'm going to do a regular email. I'm going to click on design email, and now it's redirecting us to this page. Now, of course, it is telling us different options, so we can do a basic layout. We can do this from scratch. This is only for advanced users, or we can use a fully designed template. I'm going to go ahead with a fully designed template and show you guys how we can set this up. So right now, guys, they're going to show you different templates we could be using. You want to choose something that is applicable to your business needs. Of course, you can go ahead and choose the industry you are in. There's many industries like business and finance, e-commerce and retail. Let's choose this one. Let's see some e-commerce related templates. You can also choose the style you want. If you want something minimalist, okay, something professional. We're going to do something professional. And you can also do an email purpose. Maybe you want to do a newsletter or you want to sell services or products. I'm going to do selling products, and we have 5 templates right here. These ones look nice. I think what I'm going to do, guys, is I'll go with something like this. And these ones are, of course, well, paid templates. So I'm going to go ahead and choose something a free one, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Really easy and simple. Okay, I've applied this template, guys, and now we can easily edit things, right? So we can go ahead and put your logo right here if you want. You can set your logo, your size alignment, and if you want, you can go ahead and set your logo once. You can go ahead and upload this right here. Let me do that real quick. Well, let's just say for tutorial's sake, we are from HP. I'm going to put this as our logo. And now we're setting up our logo, and it's currently uploading, and we can change things right now. We can scale it, we can align it differently. For example, if you want to align it right, left, if someone clicks on this, you want them to redirect to a URL, you can put this and it will open up in a new tab or open in the same tab. Let me show you how to do that. So here we go, guys. This is hp.com. I'm going to take this link and I will put this right here. This is a website. And boom, this is a clickable link. Let me click on this and show you. So basically click on this link and it will redirect you to the other page. Okay, I'll show you this in the preview. Right now I'm doing a website builder. So now you can add an image right here. Let me show you how to do that. Just click on add image. So they also have things like Canva integrations, and you can pick up well, images from there as well, but I'm just going to upload something. Okay, let's say I'm promoting this Adobe Premiere Pro ebook. I'm just going to paste this here. We're going to upload this image. And boom, guys, this is right here. You can, of course, change the text. It's time to design your email. Let's say it's time to take action. Boom. I changed that. Now what I can do is I can change the border, the padding, different things, the visibility. We can change different things. You can do coding as well. If you are good with that, you can also change the color, what you would like. For example, this is the color of the block background. Right, you can change that if you would like, but I'm gonna just do the transparent one. That is perfectly fine with me. So I'm gonna press done right now. And of course, guys, if you want to change the color of this text, just come here, change the color right here. For example, let me do something. We can do yellow. You can make it italic, underline it, whatever you want to do, guys. You can do this. You can change the font right here as well. Let's do Anton. Boom. It's really that easy and simple. It's not very visible, so I'm going to change this back to black. Okay, so you can change a lot of things, guys. You can add logos, and you can use an AI tool as well. You can add a video. You can actually add a product, images, buttons, whatever you want to add, guys. There's different styles here. You can also add for your mobile and a desktop as well. You can go ahead and preview what it will look like. You can add a button text, your social media handles, a lot of different things, guys. So just go ahead and design your email however you want it to be, okay? Customize subject line, customize preview text. And then what we can do, guys, is we can go ahead and preview this and see what it looks like on the desktop. So if someone gets this email, this is what it will look like. And then, of course, they can also click on that logo. It opens up in the new tab, okay? Then you want to set, to, this is what it will look like, to the recipient's email address from Pioneer Media. This is our email. The subject, you can add the subject information. The preview text, you can add those as well. If you'd like, then go ahead and just, send a test email, and then you can schedule your campaign, or just go ahead and send a test right now. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. You can customize this, you can use templates. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.